would be if I hit the record button.
Yeah. Well, it always helps.
Not too happy with each other. Is that close? It's David's shoe.
Apparently?
Oh, he's actually come between his legs.
Yeah.
And gone. Meanwhile, this is beautiful.
Stunning.
What are they?
Birds. We'll have to look those up. The one on the left looks like some sort of rosella, but that one on the right, that's different altogether.
Right, we better hit the road, Jack.
Oh, don't want to go.
We have to. Say bye-bye.
Stay and see these birds.
Say bye-bye. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.